And then we go to the same, like Dutiyampi Dhammang Saranang Gacchami. For the second time also I go to the Dhamma as my refuge. Third, Dutiyampi Sanghang Saranang Gacchami. For the second time also I go to the Sangha as my refuge. And eventually you should be able to learn all of them by heart. Very easy. So one thing, like those bhanakas or those reciters by heart, why they say it 3 times? That helps them remember easily. And in many suttas in the Pali Tipitaka, if you read it several times, you see lots and lots of repetitions. Why do we have repetitions? Because it helps us learn it by heart better. When you learn again and again, it helps us. This is
Excuse me, Bhante.
Yes.
Can't that be because that it helps us to maintain sati when we chant something that our mind wouldn't wander away, so we can keep it on track and we can maintain our sati?
Yeah.
Can it be the same?
It can
Can it be
definitely
one of the aspects?
Definitely, it can be one of the aspects too. And also like when you say like several times, you yourself can feel like when you say it several times, you feel it better, right? Maybe first time you're not so like focused, and second time when you say you're a little more focused, and third time when you say you are much more focused. And so when we say that several times, it really helps us. In Asian traditions, we also have 7 times, 21 times, 28 times, 108 times. Even bowing, we do it 108 times. I've seen, like, one time I went to South Korea and I attended the temple, like Songwansa, very ancient Buddhist temple. They wake up early morning, like 3:30 a.m., and they go to the monastery shrine room and they bow 108 times. I had a hard time doing it together, but that really, really shows their commitment, devotion, dedication, and confidence. Really helps them purify their mind too. Mindfulness, purifying the mind, and also your commitment, your confidence. Yes. So that's why we say it several times. And then we have this, now you can see the difference. Tatiyang pi buddhang saranang gacchami. I go it faster now, you know it better. Tatiyang api, same. Tatiya means tritiya in Sanskrit. Tritiya means for the third time. Also buddhang, dhammang, sanghang. For the third time also I go to the Buddha as refuge. For the third time also I go to the Dhamma as refuge. And for the third time also I go to the Sangha as refuge. This is how it happens. And I hope you remember now. Anyone? A new one. Maybe someone who remembers all these, can you chant together? Maybe from Namo Tassa onward.
Yes, Bhante.
I can do
May
it.
I?
Yeah. Yes, Bhante.
Do you want the text? Okay,
Not
I'll show
required.
you the text. Maybe for the other people also it will help. Alright, please.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddham saranam gacchami. Dhammam saranam gacchami. Sangham saranam gacchami. Dutiyampi buddham saranam gacchami. Dhammam saranam gacchami. Sangham saranam gacchami. Tatiyampi buddham saranam gacchami. Dhammam saranam gacchami. Sangham saranam gacchami.
We cannot say sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. When you are happy, you
Sadhu,
have to
sadhu.
say that. Okay? When you are happy, you have to say sadhu. Excellent. I really feel it. Appreciate it. Okay? Dr. Satish?
नमो तस्स भगवतो अर्हतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स नमो तस्स भगवतो अर्हतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स नमो तस्स भगवतो अर्हतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि द्वितीयंपि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि द्वितीयंपि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि द्वितीयंपि संघं शरणं गच्छामि तृतीयंपि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि तृतीयंपि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि तृतीयंपि संघं शरणं गच्छामि साधु साधु.
Okay. May I also invite a bhikkhu or bhikkhuni to recite the whole thing?
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dhammang saranang gacchami. Sanghang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Maybe you can try like sanghang, okay? I know it's okay with your accent, but you can also try like sanghang. Okay. Now I would like to invite all of you. You can mute, but you can chant together with me. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dhammang saranang gacchami. Sanghang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Tateyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. Tateyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. Tateyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. All right, thank you so much, everyone. And I would like to actually use this opportunity to invite all of you. Maybe today is the first day. We'll have a batch photo. Online batch photo. I would like to invite all of you to open your camera if possible. This will be a historic photo for us. Okay? And keep your palms together. I can't do it because I had to take the picture. But I would like to invite all of you to keep your palms together close to your heart and smile gently and be peaceful. I take a picture. Probably I had to take a few more pictures because in the first group I don't think we have everyone. We have everyone here? Okay. Let me 1, 2, 3 say peace. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me take one more. I'll share this picture with you all in the group. 1, 2, 3 say peace. Okay. I hope everyone is here, right? Okay, great. Alright, so with that we want to conclude today's session, and I also want to apologize for taking so long, but I want to actually make it only for 1 hour, not too long. In the future we'll make it that way. With that we conclude our session today. If you have any question, please email your inquiries to info@dhammausa.com, or you can also join our WhatsApp group. We have sent the link. Please check your email. We have WhatsApp group and also a Facebook group, private Facebook group. It's not a public group. And also I request to add people. Don't add people if they are not our Pali students. We will make it a little cleaner. We want those people who are really dedicated to this class, and together we can learn a lot of things. And so with that we want to conclude. That's it for today, and want to see you again next week. Before that I would also like to, before we end the session, let us close with a light and meaningful activity. This is a fun one-word Pali inspired kind of icebreaker. Okay, no pressure, no right or wrong answers anyway. So I invite each of you to share just one word, a single word that reflects how you feel right now at the end of this first Pali class. You may choose a Pali word you already know, or an English word inspired by the Dhamma. For example,
I feel like I have been transported 2500 years ago.
Beautiful, thank you. Yeah, you can also text, that's fine. If you like to read, that's fine. There are some Pali words, like just say one word, okay?
Mudita.
Thank you. Sympathetic joy. You can also text because we can save the text for the other people to see. You can say, you can read, you can text. Yeah. Can you read the word you said? You wrote? Okay.
I would like to pick the word chanda as motivation after this class today.
All right. So, okay, what you have to do here is just say only one word. Okay? Not a sentence. Only one word. Okay,
Okay,
let's
chanda.
everyone one word.
Mudita.
Sadhu.
Inspired.
Metta.
Katanyuta.
Mudita.
Sukam.
Pamoja.
Mudita.
Sati.
Bhagavato.
All right.
Bhagavan.
All right. Thank you so much. I'm in short of words to express my appreciation to all of you for joining us. I hope it was really helpful, and I hope this will be a very meaningful journey together. We will go a long way. May you all be well, happy, healthy, and peaceful. May the Noble Triple Gem bless you, help you, protect you, and guide you towards the right path. With that, I will do a very short blessing, chanting, to conclude the session today. Abhivadana silis nichang uddhapachayino chattaro dhamma vaddhanti ayuvanno sukhang balang ayurarogya sampatti sagga sampatti mevacha ato nibbana sampatti iminate samijjatu.
Sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.